Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you enjoy content that's clear and actually helpful, don't forget to subscribe. I share videos you can really use. Let's get started.
Ever wondered how to forward an entire email thread, making sure all the attachments come along in Gmail? It's a common need, and Gmail makes it pretty straightforward. Here's how to do it. First, open the email conversation you want to forward. Scroll down to the very last message in that thread. This is important because clicking forward from the latest message typically includes the full history of the conversation. Look for the forward button. It's usually located below the body of the email, sometimes represented by an arrow icon or the word forward. Click on that button. Gmail will then open a new Compose window. You'll notice that the entire conversation history, including all the previous messages in the thread, will be pre-populated in the body of this new email. Crucially, any attachments that were part of any message within that conversation history will also be automatically included. You'll see them listed below the subject line, ready to go. Now, simply enter the email address or addresses of the people you want to send it to in the To field. You can add a new subject line or a brief message if you like, providing context for the recipients. Double-check everything, especially the attachments, to ensure they are all there as expected. Finally, hit the Send button. That's it. You've successfully forwarded an entire email thread along with all its attachments in Gmail, keeping the full context intact for your recipients. This method ensures nothing gets left behind.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.